I'm here to advocate for semen retention. What is a day in the life of a man who practices semen retention is like? What does it feel like? A day on semen retention is magical. A day on semen retention is illuminating, insightful, dynamic, pragmatic, bold, enthusiastic. A day on semen retention is godly. A day on semen retention is intelligent because you get a lot of intelligence. You feel more intelligent. You feel more up to par with knowledge, understanding, wisdom. A day on semen retention is a beautiful day. You don't look at the weather to predict what's going to happen in your day. It doesn't matter if the sun doesn't shine. You know it's still a beautiful day. A day on semen retention is a divine day. You don't fear anything. You get an idea, you get up and go put that idea to work. You take action. A day on semen retention is a day of relentless pursuit. Oh, my friend, you're not afraid and you don't back down. You don't take no for an answer. A day on semen retention is a creative day because you get insights, you get revelations that can make your life more beautiful. And that's sex energy transmutation right there. A day on semen retention is happy. You are blissful. You feel blissful. Most importantly, a day on semen retention makes you feel so good about yourself that you have finally stopped the cycle of self-destruction. You're like, man, I've been able to stop porn addiction, huh? I've been able to stop wasting my semen all over the place. I have been able to retain my semen. Wow, so you can really change your life. So dreams can really come true and you begin to appreciate yourself better. And you begin to see yourself now and picture yourself in higher states and in higher places. Like you can see yourself now living a luxury life where before you couldn't because you didn't have the self-esteem. A day on semen retention is also a day of intuition. Now you understand people's motives. When you enter a room, you know exactly what's going on. You know, don't tell me how I know. It just comes to you. So if you don't know yet, you get on semen retention. It just comes to you. It just hits you. Okay, he or she, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I understand. Okay, that's what's going on. Okay, interesting. Somebody call you on the phone and they propose something to you. It comes to you. Oh, they're bullshitting you. Oh, somebody texts you a text message and they're like, oh, I see the motivation behind it. It comes to you. So I like to call semen retention a salvation. It's your savior as a man. Semen retention is your savior as a man. It's your salvation because you feel so safe. You feel so secure. You feel so supported. You feel so in harmony. You feel so connected, elevated, grounded. It's your salvation. You believe in yourself. You believe in the laws of the universe. A whole new consciousness you now have entered and embody now. A day on semen retention is a day where you have compassion and love for the world because the semen will open your heart chakra and you will have compassion on people. You will forgive people. You will understand why they do things. I just told you, right? You will see the motives behind their actions. So you will be able to forgive. And because now you're more connected to the divine and you're elevated, you can't hold grudges. You can't resent people. You can't hate people. Oh, God forbid. You can't do that because those are lower energies. And so because you are on a higher frequency now, you love, at least you forgive, at least you understand, at least you have compassion, at least you are now forgiven. Forgiving. A day on semen retention is a day when you realize all is well. No need to worry. The Lord is with me. God will provide for me. I can make it through. I can start over. I can create a new beginning for myself. People will support me. Things will work out for me because you have the courage. You feel saved. You feel safe. You feel protected. That's a day on semen retention. Be encouraged if you're just starting out. Be inspired if you're just looking in. And great job if you've been on the journey for a minute and you're just watching this video to add to the inspiration, to add to the motivation, because you already know of the benefits of that I'm talking about. Until next time, subscribe, my friend, and stay in your kingdom. You are king. Let it be shown.